Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very simple chicken biryani recipe. And here are the ingredients you'll need for this. You need one whole chicken cut into pieces. This weighs about 760 grams. You need 2 medium onions which you want to slice thinly. You need 6 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger to grind this to a paste. You need a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of yogurt, and 3/4 of a can of tin tomatoes, or you can use fresh. If you're using fresh, then use about 4 tomatoes. You need 1/2 cup of fresh mint. You want the whole spices. You need 1 stick of cinnamon, 2 star anise, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 1 bay leaf. This will be used to boil the rice in. And then you need, for the spices, you need red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder, which isn't chili, 1 teaspoon, ground cumin 1 tablespoon, ground coriander 1 tablespoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of salt for the chicken, and 1 tablespoon of salt for the rice when you boil it. You need some nutmeg and some mace, javrati and jaiful. You need some sliced lemons and tomatoes for the garnish. And you'll also need some butter, about a tablespoon of butter, which you want to need for the garnish as well. And the rice we've got here is Layla Banaspati rice, which is 500 grams. And we'll wash and soak the rice when you're cooking the chicken. So in a saucepan, add the oil, fry off your onion, fry it for about 5 minutes. Add the cinnamon stick, the star anise and the bay leaf. You want to cook this off for another 5 minutes. And to that you want to add your can of tomatoes and a little bit of the oil. If you've got fresh, then add fresh. And you want to place a lid on it and cook the tomatoes for 5 to 10 minutes till they've softened. Then you want to add all your dry spices. You want to add some turmeric. You want to add the coriander, the cumin, the red chili powder, and the Kashmiri chili powder. Give that a mix. Add a splash of water if you think it's burning. Then you want to add 3 teaspoons of the biryani masala and cook that for about 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, you want to add the chicken and place the lid on the chicken and cook it for at least 20 minutes on a medium flame. After it's cooked, the chicken, you want to add the yogurt to the chicken and cook this for a further 5 to 10 minutes until the yogurt has cooked. We've got some food colouring here in water. So the chicken should be cooked, look like this, so the oil comes to the top. Then take a big saucepan, put about 2 kettles full of water, add your fresh mint and the rest of the whole spices. You want to add the salt. Bring the water to boil and add your rice, which has been soaking for 20 minutes. And you washed it in enough water so the water runs clear. And bring the water to the boil and cook the rice for at least 4 to 5 minutes till it's 90% cooked. Once the rice is cooked, you want to drain off all the water and you put your saucepan on top of a pan that's underneath it. I've used a tawa, something you cook the chapatis on. And you want to put the saucepan on top of that and add half of the rice to the bottom of the saucepan. Like this, you add half the rice and put all of the chicken on top of that rice and then add the rest of the rice on top. Add your food colouring. You want to grate over the nutmeg, the jaiful and the mace, which was already powdered. You want to put about 1/4 teaspoon of mace, sprinkle that on top of it, 1/4 teaspoon. You want to add the lemon slices, the tomato slices, your fresh coriander, and you want to add the blobs of butter. So we had a tablespoon of that, so add that all over. You're going to place the lid on top of it. And then you have to cook the rice for a further 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. So first 5 minutes, the rice should be steaming and then lower it down to about 15 minutes. You want to cook on a low heat. After that, you take the lid off and there you have it. Your biryani is ready, guys. Don't mix it completely. You want to see some of the white bits as well in it. But here the biryani is ready. And you want to serve that in a serving dish or serve inside a plate like this. And you can serve that with some raita, which I've just made from yogurt and some cucumber and fresh mint and cumin. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time for a delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.